Hello, how y'all doing out there? I'm just gonna get out here today and try to make a little bit of money with Walmart Spark and see how it goes. Right now I'm waiting on Big Lots to open up here. I gotta pick up a bed for my daughter. She got a new place, so just gonna, after I get that all taken care of, I'm gonna get started with my day and try to make a nickel or two. Anyway, I'm feeling a little better. I've been battling a cold and sinuses and, a little cough. But anyway, I'm better. It's just took a little while to get through it. Don't mind the scruffiness. I've been just laying around, not doing nothing pretty much. Eventually I'm gonna clean up my act here, but I'm gonna get out there and make some money here in a bit, so hang in there with me and come along for the ride. See you soon. Okay, I just accepted a 1653 offer for 7.8 miles, 3 drop-offs. My first offer. Got a late start. I had to go deliver that bed for my daughter. I'm about a couple minutes away from Walmart. I gotta go check in at 10:50. It's 10:46 right now. So, and by the way, Happy Valentines Day, everyone. Headed to Walmart. Okay, I got my 3 orders picked up. Headed to the first drop-off. 30 degrees out. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Well, I got that first drop-off done. Actually, yeah. The first drop-off is done, so I'm at my second drop-off. It was kind of a pain. Had 2 big things of water. And it was in an apartment, whatever. Alright, here I am. Well, I'm back here at Walmart, sitting here waiting on orders. Excuse me. Last order I dropped off, I lost signal on my phone, so it wouldn't let me close it out, and I had to restart my phone, and it's been a mess. But anyway, I'm sitting here waiting on some orders, see what I come up with. Okay, I went ahead and took a $16 one drop-off order from Jerseyville. I just shot up here and I'm here now. I'm gonna pick it up, and parking spot number 6. It's just going down here to Delhi on my way back to Godfrey, so it should be alright. Here he comes. Okay, I got that picked up. And it didn't take long. There's quite a bit of stuff though. Some dog food, some soda. I'm gonna go drop it off. Okay, I was able to get that dropped off, no issues. So I'm heading back to Godfrey. They just sent me this, $12 for one drop off, bulky item. I don't know about that. 9 miles.
I don't think so. No. I don't think so. No. It's never, ever gonna happen.
Check out this offer, $57, 41.6 miles, 19 drop-offs with a bulky item. It's gone now. Somebody took it. Huh. And shopping. I'm not shopping, sorry. Not been too good a day, really. I've only made like 32 bucks. Not doing too good. Only 2 trips, actually. So I'm gonna have to quit being so picky, I guess. Start grabbing what I can. I'm not shopping though. I don't like shopping. That's all there is to it. I'm not a shopper. Alton Wood River busy now with DoorDash. We had a technical issue. Now the app is back up and running. Let's see what it says. The app is back up and running. We apologize for any inconvenience and appreciate your patience as we work to restore the service. Right on. Alright, I got this order I'm going to be picking up here in a little bit. 2226. Not a very good order, but it's going to be taking me close to home probably, or not far from home, so I might just call it a day after this one. Hadn't been too good a day, really. Got a few things done. Got that bed delivered for my daughter, so it's all good. I'm not complaining. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Hope you're having a good one. Hope your significant other brought you some candy and flowers. Hope everything's going good for you guys. Like I said, I'm probably going to do this order and call it a day, because it's been kind of, I don't know, just one of them days. I'm just getting back in the knack of things here, so I'm going to keep on rocking and rolling, and hope everybody's doing well. Throw a thumbs up on there for me. Yeah, there you go. I appreciate all you subscribers and people that watch my videos. I appreciate you all. Just keep watching. That's all I can say. I try to have fun no matter what I do, so it's all good. Thank goodness I'm feeling a little better. I went and got me some OJ a while ago, so gotta keep my vitamins up. Anyway, I'll get back with you when I decide to clock out. I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm gonna go over here and pick up this order. Pick it up. Nice. Now we're getting some rain, sleet coming down. I just got those orders picked up. I'm headed to the first drop off. So this will probably be my last run today. Starting to rain and sleet. Might get bad out here. I'll get back with you. Yeah, it's raining and it's 30 degrees. It was 32 just a couple minutes ago. Temperature is dropping, so might turn into freezing rain, so hopefully it stays warm enough where the roads don't get too bad. I had a feeling it was going to snow or something. Pretty yucky out here. I'm on my way to the first drop off out of 3. It got pretty cold real quick. It dropped, the temperature dropped like 4 degrees in a couple minutes. It was 32, and then all of a sudden it went all the way down to 28. Stuff started freezing on my windshield. Hey, look at that. Cool. Anyway, I'm almost to the first drop off. Out here in the somewhat country here. There's the river down there. These are all small orders, which that's a blessing. That's good.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Check out this view. That's, I delivered to that house right over there. That's Portage de Sioux Power Plant. Oh, she's getting her groceries. Imagine that, I got stuck behind a school bus. It was sleeting there for a minute. Yeah, it still is. See a little sleet bouncing off my hood. Well, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I didn't do too good today. I think I made like 55 bucks. It was not very good, but hey, I made something though. I mean, you know, can't complain too bad. At least I made something. I got a late start also, and you know, it's all right though. Ain't no big deal. So, anyway, I'll go at it tomorrow, get a little earlier start and see what happens. Now the sun's shining and the weather's getting better. It's 4:08 right now. It'll be dark here within an hour, so about 5 o'clock it's usually dark, so I'm just going to call it a day. I had fun doing what I did. It was kind of a messy day with the rain and sleet, and it wasn't too bad though. I made it through. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate you for subscribing, liking, sharing, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. Come back and see me again. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get out here and do better. See you later. Peace. Forgot to tell you, Happy Valentine's Day. I love you all.